everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Crypto.com account's password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. Click open a web browser first and then go to Crypto.com. Click on this NFT option at the top, and then from your Crypto.com account, click on your profile picture at the upper right. What you'll need to do is log out of your account first. Click on log out from the expanded menu, and once you do that, click on the sign in button at the upper right. Enter your email in the first text field. Make sure to type in a valid email address that is associated with the account. After you're done, go to the password text field and click on forgot password in order to change your password. Enter your email address one more time in the next page. Click on this click to verify option and click on reset password. A reset password email will be sent to your email address. Simply follow the instruction in the email in order to change your password. Click OK from the pop-up. Go and click open your email on the next tab. You'll be able to see the email that you have received with an instruction to reset your password. Click on reset password, and then on the next page you'll be able to change your password to a new one. Type in the new password you would like to change to. While creating a password, make sure that your passwords include 8 characters or more, upper and lowercase letters, and then a symbol. After you're done, reconfirm the password by typing it again in the text field. Make sure both of your passwords matches, and finally click on reset password. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed successfully. Click on sign in and sign in with your credential and with a new password. That is how you can change your password. You'll need to go to the login page and then reset your password, since the change password option is not available within your account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.